If you like using Linux but are stuck on a Windows PC, Microsoft has now made it incredibly easy to use Ubuntu. My name is Yadullah, you are watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can use Ubuntu on a Windows 11 PC.
So, installing Ubuntu on Windows 11 is actually very easy. You can do this using WSL, or the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Installing Windows Subsystem for Linux previously required you to fumble around in Windows settings, but if you're on the latest version of Windows 11, all you have to do is open your command prompt. So, command prompt, we'll launch it as administrator. Yes, bring it here, and now you can type in WSL install, press enter, and it will tell you that the Windows Subsystem for Linux is already, well, it will not tell you that, it's telling me that because I already have WSL installed. In your case, this will download and install everything that's required for WSL to run. It will take a while and you'll have to restart your computer once the installation is complete, but if you're ready to go, you can just move forward. Now, as you can see, it is showing me a list of distributions that I can go ahead and install. So if you want to get this list without this command, cls, yes, thank you. So for that, you can type in WSL list online, and it will show you a list of valid distributions that can be installed from the command prompt. So all you have to do is type in WSL install -d and then the name of your distro. So in this case, I want to install Ubuntu 24.04. Hit enter and it will automatically start downloading and installing the required Ubuntu distribution. Now, while this installs, if you don't want to use the command prompt to install WSL, what you have to do is you can use the command prompt to enable WSL, and after that you can head over to the Microsoft Store. Wait for it to load up and just search for Ubuntu. And as you can see, I have all of the available Ubuntu distributions here to install. So let's say I go for which one? As you can see, the 24.04 LTS is already installing in the background. So both the store and the command prompt solutions are connected. It's just command prompt is easier to deal with. As you can see, it has been installed and it's been launching. So as you can see, I am now installing this on my system. And if I go back to the Windows Store page, you can open any of these distributions. Just make sure they are from Canonical Group Limited, because that's the official, that will ensure that you're downloading the real thing. And once you're done with that, you can choose any of these distributions here. Let me close the command prompt and come back here. So as you know, when you're installing a new Linux distribution, you have to enter a new username and password. So let's do that. New password, type password, and now I'm in Linux. So this runs all of your regular Linux commands. So if I say ls, there is nothing here. So you can move around, you can use sudo or root or whatever Linux commands that you want to use, and essentially use Linux in a terminal on a Windows PC. So now, once you're done installing and setting up WSL, if you need to relaunch your machine or your Ubuntu installation, all you have to do is press the start menu, and as you can see, I can already see the app here. Or if I head over to all apps, go to Ubuntu, as you can see, I already have Ubuntu installed here. If I click it, it's just going to launch into the same terminal that I was using before, and that's how you install Ubuntu on Windows 11.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we make for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.